again. A circle having center O and AB, CD are two diagonals. OA is given that 7 centimeter. So you can observe that OA is known as radius of the circle, and also OC is also 7 centimeter, OB is also
7 centimeter.
and now OD is also 7 centimeter, because all radius are equal in same circle. So you will write first of all OA is given that 7 centimeter, therefore OD equal to 7 centimeter, because this is the second circle, so this is our requirement. And now OD is the diameter of the smaller circle, therefore radius of smaller circle, radius of smaller circle is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Don't find into the decimal because calculation will be hard in that case. So now you will write 7 by 2 centimeter. This is the radius of smaller circle, and AB, this is the diameter. So AB equal to OA plus OB, that is 7 plus 7 means 14 centimeter. This is requirement for finding the area of triangle. So the formula of triangle, base into height. So now how can you find the area of shaded region? Question is find the area of shaded region only. So you will write area of shaded region. Shaded region equal to area of smaller circle, because this is shaded, area of smaller circle plus area of semicircle, करेक्ट, बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया, माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सेमी सर्कल में अगर आप ट्राइंगल के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे तो आपको शेडेड पार्ट मिल जाएगा. सो यू विल राइट माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. Yes. So area of smaller circle, either smaller or larger, but formula is same for the area of circle, that is pi r square. Okay, so you will write it as pi means 22 by 7, and r radius for the smaller circle is 7 by 2, and this is square, so you will write 2 times 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus area of semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle, 1 by 2 pi r square. 1 by 2 pi means again 22 by 7, and radius of this semicircle is 7, only 7. So you will write 7 and 7. Okay, minus area of triangle. Formula is half into base into height. So half means half, base is there, this is AB, and height is OC. So put all the values. Here you can see that 7 and 7 cancel out, and this 2, it is 11. Okay, now you will get 11 7 ja 77 by 2 plus, here you can see that this is also 11. 7 and 1 7 is cancelled out, so 11 7 ja 77, and now minus half, base AB is given that 7 plus 7, you can see that this is 14, and OC is 7. Again you can cancel this 7 2 7 जा 14, so 7 7 जा 49. So dear, this is 7 by 2 plus 77 minus 49. If you subtract it, that is 17 minus 9. How much you will get? 8. You will get 77 by 2 plus 8, and here is only 6. 6 minus 2, sorry, 6 minus 4, 2. It is only 28. Okay. Now you take the LCM. Otherwise, you can write this is 77 by 2 means how much? 33 point कितना? 30, हाँ 38 पॉइंट नहीं, कितना होगा? 36 पॉइंट है ना. कैंसिल कीजिए. 2 3 जा 6 and 2 8 जा 38.5. Okay. And this is area, so you can write that square centimeter. So now you can write finally this is 38.5 plus 28 centimeter squared here. This gives you 8 and 8 16, and 3 and 2 5 and 1 7 6, and 0.5 is also, so you can write the square centimeter. So this is the area of the shaded region. Clear? तो इस तरह से हम कोई भी शेडेड पार्ट को स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलेंगे तो फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि उसका एरिया क्या होगा. क्लियर?